Hello, Leo. Welcome to your reading for December the 1st through the 10th. Our rune this week is the Heavenly Rune. We are being watched over, being protected. We have red tiger eye, confidence, self-esteem, vitality and passion, high energy, and motivation. We have nephrite jade, inspiration, motivation, wisdom, and abundance. So we already have two that are talking about motivation here. Then we have tree agate, inner peace, calms the nerves, clears blockages, connects us with nature, and helps focus on the oneness of all things. Okay, and then we have petrified wood. Inner harmony relieves worries, is calm and composed, brings transformation, is a very protective. Okay. So we got some awesome stones, a lot about inner harmony, inner peace, and motivation. 3 are about motivation. Okay, we have our Stone People card is Bear Medicine, healing and solitude. Healing physically, spiritually, and mentally. Our spirit animal this week, is the snake. Let go of the past, heal the old wounds, shed the old skin so that you can start new. Okay, and our sign and symbol card is the forest, the standing people, and connection with nature. And that's interesting because we have tree agate and petrified wood. And tree agate also is a connection with nature. So you need to get outside and spend time in nature. Okay, our 4 agreements card is ignore the opinions of others. Whatever people do, feel, think, or say, don't take it personally. Others are going to have their own opinion according to their belief system. So whatever they think about you is not about you, but it is about them. Yes, people show us who they are through their opinions. Oh, look what we got. Standing people, roots and giving. Wow. Okay, we got that one and 3 stones. So this is just a really powerful message to spend time in nature. That's where you're going to find peace. That's where you're going to find empowerment. Okay, Sister Moon says, don't let your past hold you back. Okay, we have autumn. Release the old and rest. That's what our snake is also telling us. Release the old. And then, wow, another snake. Time to heal. Releasing any negativity, releasing the past. Our bear is also telling us to heal, and so is the snake. And where we can find that healing is in nature, and especially with the trees. Okay, and we're going to choose our quote for this week. I just mixed them all back up. I had done several different sets of quotes and I just mixed them all up. You, yourself, as much as anybody in the universe, deserves your love and affection. So I hope you enjoyed your reading. Remember to spend lots of time outside in nature, especially with the trees, healing yourself, letting go of the past. Don't let your past hold you back. All of these cards really, really go together. Release the old. Release the past. Heal. That's what Bear says too. And spend time with the trees. I hope you enjoyed your reading. Peace, love, and light. Until next time.